Okay, we are live now. There's no turning back from this. I hope you're hearing me fine. 1 second. We are so back, everybody. Welcome to another live stream. Let me pull up my chat window over there. Who's watching? Say hi. This is me in real life. We have a big ass canvas over there. Just gonna do some oil painting. How's the audio? Do you hear me fine, or is it not that good? 1 second. Let me check my live video to make sure everything's fine. 1 second. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's good. It's good. I think my setup is working just fine. I'm gonna make the chat window bigger so that I'll see it. It's very far away from me right now. 1 second. Okay. Hey, Exom Weo. Okay. I think I remember your name, but I'm not really sure. So, all right, Yasir. Yes. Hey man, how's it going? So, I'm gonna post this on my socials now, and we're gonna start after that. I don't have my laptop. The laptop is over there. I need to use my phone for that. So, give me a second, all right? 1 second. Okay, Twitter posted. Let's check. Twitter. X. I meant X. But in the meantime, how is everybody? How's everybody doing? 2 people watching right now. I'm like blessed. By the way, did you see the merch? Did you see this T-shirt? It's not just this side. Check the back. You can also get one on grindhouse.dev. We have a merch store now. I will announce it tomorrow. It's not announced, so stay tuned. Let me post it on Mastodon too. Gotta show some love for the Mastodon homies. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Genie UHS. How's it going, man? Also, the butterfly platform. By the way, what do you guys think about my half-finished painting? Fire or not? Say something in the chat. Oil painting live posted on LinkedIn too. Fire, thank you. We're just gonna make this thing better. Actually, I started this painting a long time ago, and it's really hard to just continue when you just don't finish something, and when the time progresses and you feel even more lazy. So I've been just sitting on this for a while now, but then I decided, why not live stream it so that I can get some motivation. What am I saying? I didn't understand what you wrote, but it's good. I'm gonna reveal it, man. Stay tuned. And yeah, I just decided to live stream it so that I will feel more motivated. So we're just gonna dive into it, man. This is gonna be just one of those chill streams. 1 second. I'm gonna make this thing a little bit like, okay, this should be fine, I think. All right, I don't really need to see analytics. Anyways, hey, Coda Spread. Now it feels like a metal band album. Maybe it is. So guys, let's just go, okay? This is gonna be one of those streams where you just watch me do something, which is like pretty much my whole streaming career. But anyways, you want to get some background on this art piece. It's basically a blend of graffiti and oil painting, and here I wrote something. If you can guess what's written in here, you'll get a t-shirt from me, and thank you for the good thank you for just saying that, man. I'll give you a t-shirt. Look at it. Look at the t-shirt, man. You have the merch store now. Go to grindhouse.dev. Anyways, let's just go, okay? So I don't quite remember where I left this off, so just gonna dive into it from here actually, because it seems like I don't even. Oh, this is not the same color. Not the same color. 1 second, I gotta mix it. I checked merch store and also hoodies on fire. Thank you, man. Thank you. Why this is moving so much? This is moving so much. Don't move, okay? Maybe it's because it's been a while, you know. When you just give a break on one of your grinds, it takes some time to get used to it again. So this is what I'm experiencing right now, but we'll get there, okay? Okay, maybe I should just do this so that it's not moving. I'm not sure if this is the same color, but it's a bit darker, I would say. But this is what happens when you just give a break on something and come back to it after freaking 6 months. Is anyone into the Will Smith family? There's this little boy there, Jaden Smith. He has one song where he says something like, I recorded the last part before this event, something like that, he says. And you can tell that from his voice as well. So yeah, it's like different, you know? And he's just confessing it. Maybe I should just confess that this thing has been untouched for a while, and then I just kept working on it later on. What am I yapping about? I don't know. If you have anything to you have any ideas to spark some thoughts and topics, just go ahead, because I'm using my body for this, and my mouth is just gonna be shut down if I don't say anything, you know. I don't want to lock in. All right, I just want to have fun here. So yeah. Maybe a little bit of white would be better here, because I feel like there's a slight change in the brightness of this gray. I don't know what I was thinking while making this, actually. I don't remember the thought process, but it was very quick. Like, I just draw this thing like a sketch and then started painting, and then there you have it. Just a half-assed thing, but anyways. But this is the letter there, and it's gonna extend over there. I don't know what we're gonna end up with at the end of this, actually. It's gonna do it like that a bit. Maybe I can boost the music a bit because I'm not really talking that much. 1 second. It's 32. Okay, let's make it 30, 20, 30. Okay, 30 is good. I mean, these parts are just half-assed painted, like not completed at all. And I don't know why this gray looks like a bit like a blue, but you probably don't see a difference. Yeah, I feel like I got used to it a little bit. Still, we have a long way to go. The topic should be art of grinding. Maybe I'll change the title of the stream later. That's a good idea. I wish I had my moderators right now, but I have no moderators. They are just sleeping. I don't think moderators can change the title of the stream anyways. But yeah. I am I'm leaving these blank spaces on purpose because I will probably do something with them later on, or maybe I'll just leave them blank. I don't know. Depends on how I feel. It's just experimental as as fuck. Like, you know, I never like this. The inspiration for this came from just drawing stuff like this on a sticker on a paper, and then I just moved it over to the canvas because I thought that making this bigger would give me more space to work on, and I can do more details here. And oil painting was something that I wanted to do, and I didn't like I haven't done it for a long time, so I just wanted to get back into it. So that's why I basically started this. It's a quick history for the painting. Actually, I'm not sure if I should paint that place. Probably not. Okay, hold on. Okay, H, that's the H. Okay, I can just move on from here. Maybe I should have left a blank triangle in the middle, but anyways. I'm gonna stick to the original sketch. I'm getting some notifications, but I don't want to check them. I'm grinding right now. Okay, that's the letter there. You know, tomorrow will be really exciting because of the launch of this brand that you see on my back. the launch as in not just, you know, not a big thing. I'm not gonna have Jay-Z have a concert in a big stadium or something like that, you know, or I won't show a big party or anything like that. Just gonna share it on LinkedIn. That's my plan. I think that's roughly the same thing as having Jay-Z sing something at your party or something like that. I don't know. We'll see about that. You guys wanna maybe hear some painting ASMR or something like that? I can just bring the microphone closer for ASMR. But I have noise cancelling though. I don't think that will work. Noise cancelling. To turn that off. Yeah, audio is fine, but I was thinking of just doing like a oil painting ASMR, you know. But I don't think I'll do it because I have noise cancelling. Getting a bit precise over here, so maybe I should switch to the smaller brush. Yeah, let's do that. Look at this, I have a small brush. Very small. That's what she said. Let's just move on, dude. Let's just move on. Why is this so hard? It should be softened. Can make the brush sound from your mouth. I'm not a beatboxer. Maybe I will do it in the future. I don't know if I will do like part 2, part 3, part 4 of these streams. Let me know if you like them, because I'm not doing, you know, it was not like super planned. I never plan anything for the streams. I just know what I'm gonna do and I just go ahead and do it. So if you like it, just let me know so that I can keep making them. I mean, at some point I need to finish this painting, right? So I just have to. Streaming it would be a good idea. It's just too... This is not gray. I don't have... By the way, I don't have very expensive equipment. Look at what I have. I just literally have a... What do you call it? I don't even know the name. The dog food box, or like cardboard, not cardboard, but foam box, foam plate, whatever. I don't like this color. I don't like this color. Come on, give me something good. No. There isn't a color picker in oil painting. That's why I'm suffering right now. Dude, I need to kneel down my knees. I kneel only 2 times. Like, kneel for something, I only do it 2 times in my life. One for the God and the other for the painting. So just gonna do that. Because otherwise I cannot reach here. Guys, that should be your motto too. 1, kneel for the God, and 2, kneel for the painting. Depends on what kind of a God you have though. This stream is getting controversial. I don't want to offend anybody. I didn't like this brush. I'm just gonna continue with this, but very slowly, because I don't wanna fuck this up, okay? Okay, give me something, some good color. Give me some black. I think that should be fine. Let me do it here too. Okay, that's the letter right there. That's H. If you don't see it, it is here. H. Super obfuscated though. Does anyone have experience with painting? Say something in the chat. Like any kind of painting. There you have it. We're gonna do something with the small brush now. Some details. This brush is so bad. I did some abstract weird things. What kind of weird things? Like figures, shapes, anime. Hopefully not anime. No, try to be emotional. That's deep, man. This painting is also in 40 minutes. I don't know. I don't know what happens, man. I haven't figured it out yet. I'm gonna boost the music a little bit too because I'm not talking that much and I don't want to stream silence. I'm streaming art. 28, okay. Guys, the t-shirt looks so great, isn't it? Oh my god, I just touched it. Anyways, buy the t-shirt already. Okay, gonna check my notifications for a second. I'm curious. Okay, it's all good to be back. Let's just continue, okay? Kneeling for the painting. Where did I left it? Okay, left it here. I was expecting some people with more knowledge to tune in and just say something like, hey, your brush strokes are not correct, you should do this way or that way. But I'm a bit disappointed now because nobody joined. Nobody, like, no dickheads joined. That's just disappointing. That's not really disappointing. That's actually comforting, but I love you guys. You guys are great. My fans. I don't want to call you fans. My homies. Grinders. Okay, here's the thing. I don't like calling people fans or family or some shit like that. I mean, those people are basically your audience. Not like they're not dying to see you every day. I mean, I hope. So, fans just sounds weird to me. There's delay between sound and video. Just refresh. Actually, your brush itself was terrible. No, bro. This is the actual grind brush, okay? That's why it is like this. This brush has seen so many paintings. Shit, I'm outside my house, right? Right when we painting, dude. Just gotta plan your day according to the grind stream, dude. But hey, Transisweg, I hope you're doing something grindful outside, not fucking around. Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, my brush is actually great. Okay. I think your eyes are... Okay, sorry. I don't... But yeah, your eyes are wrong. Like, you don't see things straight, okay? No, just kidding. I don't want to offend anybody. But yeah, as I was saying, I don't like to call people fans, family, or like stuff like that. Instead, just call them something that you would normally use, you know, like guys or something, you know. I always say guys while talking to you guys. So, and I know that no girls are watching my stream. That's why I'm safe. And if anybody says that, don't call me guy because I don't identify myself as a guy, I will just say, hey, there are no pronouns in Turkish. I don't know what you mean. And yeah, one other thing, people just call their audience chat. Like, I don't want to call you guys chat. That is weird. I try to avoid saying chat, but maybe I should just say chat because everyone's just saying chat. All right, chat. You're chat now. I'm not gonna keep painting here. I'm just gonna continue here actually. Okay, this brush is dead. Is it normal that I like the smell of this? It's just paint thinner. I don't want to get addicted to paint thinner, dude. Okay, that's the other part of the H. Yo chat, what is this? It is normal if you're fan of Beşiktaş. Dude, I am not. I don't even watch football at all. Like, you know me. Why do you act like you don't know me? Actually, you don't know me anymore, because you don't even like meet up anymore, dude. You're like, you disappeared. You disappeared from my life. So what's the point? Every time I call you out, you say some bullshit and just don't show up. So many excuses. I only kneel for the God and for the painting. Write that down somewhere. Okay, let me take a look at this from distance. 1 second. Yeah, dude, we are making it happen. Okay, I don't need to kneel now. I need a small brush. I just painted my Rode microphone. Surprisingly, it's not any easier to understand than Rust. Okay. Is system design live? Yeah, we are just are like doing some design for the architecture right now. Let me change the music, actually. Okay, this is not bad actually. Sorry for your feelings, we can fix it. That's actually very reminiscent of my relationships. You know, just break up, or like you don't talk for a while, and then you go ahead and start talking again, and only excuses. Sorry, my bad. Your feelings, it's fine, we can fix it. But you cannot fix shit, dude. What's been done has been done. Guys, this is the new official logo of Rust. What do you guys think? Rust Foundation reached out to me and said, hey, why don't you design us a new logo? Nobody understands this language, so we need a logo that is completely not understandable. So I was like, yeah, sure, dude. Send me like 2 million right now on Cash App. I'll draw something for you. And they just did that. It refers to complexity. Maybe I should just have a very abstract name for this painting. Something like resource acquisition is initialization or something. Okay, this is done, kind of. This music broke my heart. Does anybody know any good macro blank mixes? About this one. Okay, maybe this is going to be good. One second, I'll try to find a good mix. I think I have a good mix somewhere. Okay. This should be good. Let's play it. The first one is so good. This track, I don't know where it is coming from, because these mixes are just mixes of obscure shit. Or like, I don't know how they do these actually. But it feels like they just find very good sounding parts of some songs and just cut them and then merge them together. And this is kind of how it works, I guess. If I touch, oh my god, oh, I fucked up my t-shirt. But I think it's fine because these are just grind stains, okay? But anyways, I think it's fixable. Hopefully. I should be careful because I have some paint on my hands. Nice Rust logo. Thank you. I hope it's worth the money. Speaking of money, if you want to support my content, because obviously I'm at this point a broke ass guy doing paintings on Sunday afternoon with no other purpose of life, you can go ahead and buy merch. Okay, that's you, right? Okay, that's you. Okay. Any good Sunday plans? Anybody? Or are you just gonna watch me? This was my Sunday plan. Maybe people are doing something more fun with their time, I don't know. If so, just let me know, I'm curious. Okay, I'm gonna actually do this. Get rid of the paint. Such a rookie move, but what are you gonna do? Watching you is the best plan. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. I'm gonna take a sip. Guys, excuse me for a second. That was vodka. No, not really. How can I land a Rust job as a junior? Good question. As a junior in Rust, I assume, or just junior in engineering, like development. Either way, I think it's the typical advice that I give to anybody who wants to find a job in Rust. And that is simply build yourself a resume of projects, which means contributing to open source projects and putting them in your resume as a reference. That will just make it very easy to prove that you actually know Rust, because people will see that in your resume and will be like, okay, this guy knows Rust because he contributed to this and that. So just do that, contribute to open source or create some projects. That also works. Like create some useful stuff and fun stuff in Rust, and then start applying. Basically, go ahead, find some Rust companies. These days there are a lot of Rust companies in very different areas. If you like backend, go ahead, find a open source startup backend type of companies. If you like packaging, go ahead and find one of those Python/Rust package manager projects, companies, whatever, startups. You want to work in I don't know, electronics or maybe some industry type stuff. Find those companies. These days there are a lot of websites. There is Rust Jobs or some website like that. You can go ahead and see the open offers, or just the names of the companies. Also follow the This Week in Rust newsletter. There are some stuff in there too. At the end, I think there's like open positions or something like that there, if they didn't remove it. Okay. I literally have no job these days. This is why I watch every stream. What do you do? I think I saw your profile on LinkedIn. Are you studying or finished studying and looking for something? What is your grind? And thanks for tuning in, by the way. I hope these are fun. Just tell me if you have any feedback or want me to do something else. Right now I cannot do anything else apart from grinding this art. I don't want to call this thing art, but I guess it is. It is, man. It is a piece of art. It's amazing. Great advice. Thanks a lot. No problem. Let me know if you have any other questions. I mean, we have time. we have time. So go ahead. Ask me anything. I'm doing an ask me anything, okay? Guys, let's do that. How do I actually create it? Start a Q&A. Ask. Oh, this is not the... Okay, 1 second. Ask me anything. Okay, ask me anything. Start Q&A. Alright, I did something. Where are you gonna put this? It's too big for your room, I guess. I'm gonna... Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna find a place for this. I'm gonna put it in a living room, because why not? Guys, this is a good chance if you have any questions for me, because I'm not really doing Ask Me Anythings at all, because I'm too busy writing Rust other times. Now I am grinding this art thing. You're free to ask me anything. That's amazing. Amazing opportunity. This color, this color is not the same. But those are just little details, I think. I can always bullshit my way around this and say something like, the artist actually made these things different on purpose because he was aiming for some kind of a artistic perspective where everything's different and the messages, life can change, everything can be different or some shit like that, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna use the same color. I like how art is very flexible, but it doesn't really change the fact that you can bullshit your way around the mistakes and like shit like that. Did you know that Picasso actually, not Picasso, but maybe Picasso, or the famous painter, they painted, like they didn't have money to buy canvas. So they paint something and then like most of his famous work is just repaint over some existing painting because they didn't have money. That's like a little knowledge flex for you there. Just flexing, dog. And maybe I should kneel down again. It's too big for his room. I am too big. I need another mansion at this point. One mansion is not enough. Okay, let me actually check the questions. If there's anything I can ask me anything. How do I see the questions? Questions. Where are you gonna... Okay, that was the... Alright, I already answered that. Alright, we can continue. Anyways, what I was saying is... Let's change the music. Plastic Fables 2021 end of the year mix. Tales of the Cipher. Love it. 2021 was 4 years ago. Can you believe that? Can you fucking believe that? Dude. You're in 2025 now. Actually, 1 second. I want to play something that I didn't hear before. This one I didn't hear before, I think. There's like a lot of paint here, and this is dried, so I cannot really take it. Maybe if I had like something sharp, I can. Anyways, I'm not gonna touch it. This painting is full of mistakes, like life. So I embrace it. Man, I really like elevator music. That's like the best type of music for these activities. I don't want to play drum and bass. Drum and bass is more like a coding music for me. This like vaporwave stuff is good for artsy shit. Oh my god, my back started to hurt a bit. I'm just gonna... What is wrong with this brush? I'm gonna get a new brush actually. Wait. Get a bigger brush. I have a bigger brush. I have this bad boy over here. It's not a... I don't want to call it bad boy, but it's big. I didn't even use it yet. I can use it for this place maybe. But I mean, yeah, we'll see. Prime recently dumped Rust in favor of Zig. What's your take on that? I'm also looking for a new mentor. I mean, it's Prime. It's Primogen. There isn't much to say there. Just hype. Just hyping people up. I mean, yeah, no comments on that actually, because those are actual content creators, and you gotta keep people watching by keeping your content fresh. So he's obviously gonna drop Rust at some point, and he's gonna drop Zig at some point, and stuff like that. I don't think it's really related to what his projects or anything that he's working on. It's more like following the hype, which I understand. So yeah, that's just how it is. If I was like a you know, if I didn't have these other motivations like open source and like terminals and like Ratatouille and like Rust, I would probably do the same. Just try out new things, you know, and create some drama around that. Profit. Easy. I sometimes do that too with certain things, but not like, you know, I switch completely away from Rust and stuff like that. Not following the hype train that much, but I'm following it. It's average. That's what she said. That's not average. Okay, that's pretty big. I mean, look at it again. It's pretty big. It's gonna... Yeah. I have 1.5 hours until the sun goes down, and then I gotta use my lighting over there, because I'm solely using the sunlight for illuminating this stream. That makes sense. So I gotta be careful here. But I don't think I'll stay that long. Let's see though. It's purely based, like it is based on the questions that I will get. You can stay longer, but yeah. Let's get some more paint here. Let's switch to what do I have here? Let's switch to darkness. Vaporwave barber beats. Okay, actually I'm gonna continue with macro blank. Guys, what do you think about IRL streams? Like, you know, outside and doing something, walking or just visiting some place. I'm thinking if I should do that too. I don't have the equipment for that for now, but I guess I can just use my phone, right? Your stream's bitrate is low. No, it's not. I have 0 dropped frames. Everything is perfect. Let me check the questions once again. Do you use your Sennheiser headphones when you're at the gym? Does it make you sweat? That's a good question. That's a good question. No, I don't use headphones. I'm using this little guy over here. And you know what's cool about this is it's transparent, so you can see the circuits and everything inside. So this is what I use at the gym. I mean, I don't get people when they use like headphones. I am sweating a lot, and I cannot imagine just using this headphone there, and then the sweat is just gonna be in it, and then it will just make the life of the headphone very short for me, because it will damage the leather or damage the inside. It will damage everything. It will damage my heart. So yeah, I don't do that. Just gonna do a little connection there. It's looking really bad though. Hold on, let me try to fix it. Any other questions, people? Questions, let me see. I like the ambience in this song. That's the other part of the U, I think. So yeah, I can just continue from here later on. I'm just gonna mark this place. I don't wanna forget my progress. Not forget, I meant lose. Sometimes just mix words. Turkish is a hard language. Yeah. Got it now, you're writing Orhun. Yeah. My name. That's me. Was it like fun to figure it out? Or very annoying? Which one? I was trying to set up an open source project. When I run cargo make test, following contribution guide, my 60 gigs of RAM was full and Ubuntu froze just back after reboot. Oh my god. Cargo make test. So that's the issue with Rust a bit, because if you don't have a powerful system, and if you're working on a very beefy project with a lot of dependencies, that thing will just take a lot of processing power. In other words, your CPU will just suffer. So my condolences, because I guess your CPU just died there. But welcome back. Nevertheless, happy to see you here once again. Let me check the questions. Live chat. Guys, send me some questions, okay? I'm here. Let me check the... Maybe I can... A little bit like this. Because I'm now working on the very far end. It would be a good idea to move this thing a bit. Okay. Since when am I Since when I'm live actually? 1 hour? Okay, 1 hour. Bro, what was your journey to become a Rust developer? Just like open source. And I was looking for some new language to learn. And I had a friend back then. He suggested that I should learn Rust. Or he didn't really actually say that I should learn Rust. He was more like an average Rust developer, so he was spoken about Rust all the time. He was just flexing the code snippets. He was just doing Rust evangelism. And yeah, you know, the typical Rust people. And yeah, I was interested in learning Rust. So I started a project, and it was painful at first because I didn't know what to do. But as time progressed, and as I saw that this thing is really promising, I kept working on that project and kept learning about Rust. And yeah, just grind and it happens, I guess. It wasn't me. Okay. Yeah, I don't really see that guy anymore. That's the funny part of the story. We don't talk anymore. Not because of Rust though. Not because of anything. We just, you know, sometimes people just drift away. So yeah. But yeah, that wasn't you. Correct. You kind of got me into Holy See though. Like that's actually no. But after like sharing a bit about Temple OS, stuff like that, you kind of like motivated me to write Holy See. You didn't got me in the first place, but I'm grateful for that actually, so it's fine. You know, sometimes you need a little push to find your way through life. Find the perfect programming language, which is Holy See. You know, Primeagen switched to Zig. Why am I not switching to Holy See? I will just announce that I stopped writing Rust and I'm going full on Holy See now. I'm gonna add it to my CV, bruh. Okay, this is not bad. Let me see the questions once again. No questions. I'm actually leave this place a blank because I need to put my signature here. I don't know what to put here. So I'm gonna leave this place like that for a while and come back to it later on. But I need to move this thing a bit because it's just on the very far end now. You can just move it like that. Okay, how's the PGP corner? Yeah, that will be my signature there, like the open PGP signature. So I need some space. It's gonna be the whole key, all 40 characters. Because, you know, gonna make sure that your shit is signed, otherwise you're gonna get pawned. Is this good? Let me check. Where's my OBS? Okay, this is not good. Okay. Let's move on. What's the vibe that you get from this painting? Just tell me. I'm curious. I missed the question. I asked, what's the vibe that you get from this painting? And don't say a metal band. My eyes are hurting. I don't know why, but this song is so nice. Maybe it's because it kind of reminds me of the early times of the Bionicle soundtracks. Those little like symbol type sounds are interesting. Like these robotic sounds. Okay. As a metal band, it specifically feels more magnesium to me than a transition metal. It's come on. It's not a metal band. Maybe it is though. Will you use another color? No. Should I? I don't want to. I mean, I can bullshit something like only 2 colors is enough. Actually, just 1 color. Or like there are a lot of shades of gray here, but you know, white and gray. I didn't even use another color. Like it's like black and white, gray, grayed. You get grayed out. I need to once again kneel down. There are still unfinished parts here, so I gotta come back to that sometime later maybe. Now we're just on the very far corner. I'm so locked in right now. As a developer aiming to grow, should I focus on becoming a jack of all trades by learning multiple languages, frameworks, and tools, or should I specialize deeply in one area? How do you decide which approach to take, and what has worked best in your experience? At first I was aiming to become someone who's jack of all trades, but then I realized if you don't specialize in some field, you'll just gonna get fragmented too much. Like, you gotta have something that is your best at, So I think it's fine to be jack of all trades, but have something special that you have special interest in, and something that you actually want to practice more. And over time, that thing will become your only thing anyways. I think. So yeah, for me, it was like, open source was my thing. So I was learning new languages, new technologies all the time. But then I realized Rust is really good. And then I just stuck with it, basically. It's not that I decided to, it's more like I have to, because that's where I really enjoy and really like. I didn't have to, but like, that made sense to me. So yeah, I guess try to learn as much things as possible and keep learning, and you'll discover the thing that you really like over time. It might be a bit early to ask these questions if you're asking these questions, so just keep pushing, man. I remember asking the same question to myself, by the way, and then I basically answered myself by saying, just never mind, move on, learn, keep grinding, you'll find it, you'll find whatever you like, or you won't find it and you'll be happy, and then you'll be just jack of all trades. It's cool either way, so keep building. I'm gonna leave the PGP corner empty. Okay, that's and we gotta complete these guys over here too. These little triangles. I don't know, maybe I should just that instead. Okay, that should be good enough. That was satisfying. I'm gonna do it like this actually. Okay, let me take a look at this from far. Okay, guys, I think I'm done. It's been good progress. I think I'm gonna leave it here. Continue sometime later. We were here roughly, and these parts, and I still have to fix this thing, complete this part, put my OpenPGP signature there, and I'll do some stuff in here and here too. Maybe I'll add another color. I don't know, we'll see about that. But for now, I think I'm done. I don't want to touch anywhere. Gonna wash my hands. Stuff over here. We once again check if there's any questions or anything. Okay. I'd like to thank everybody for tuning in. This was fun for me. Maybe I'll do it again sometime in the future. Maybe I won't. Who knows? But either way, just let me know if you wanna see me do more of these. We're gonna see each other soon. I'm gonna take another sip. If you like the t-shirt, it's available on grindhouse.dev. Go there, you can get one of these. And yeah, I guess take care everybody, have a good Sunday. Keep grinding, never stop, you know the drill. I'm out. It's been fun. See you around. Goodbye. There's OBS. Ciao, ciao.